our Madhu Mangal who did a play, and I really liked it. And I sometimes refer to it because it was just really well done. It was summer, so he'd taken off his shirt, and he has just this undershirt, not a t-shirt, but like one of those, and a big belly, right? And he's sitting in front of the TV, watching the football, right? Scratching his belly, right? And she was standing at an ironing board, right? And like maybe coal pins in her hairs or something, in her hair, and just like an endless stack of washing, and she's ironing. So that's scene one, and she says, "Ha." And I thought that he was going to deliver me. I thought that he would take me back to the spiritual world. And she keeps on lamenting like this while she's ironing it out. He says, "Shut up! I can't hear what they're saying on the TV, And, I can't hear the scores." And then he goes, "Where's my coffee?" And she goes, she makes the coffee, she brings the coffee, right? Brings over the coffee, and he looks at her, and he goes, "Look, I know what you're thinking. I'm not any less Krishna conscious. I'm not any less Krishna conscious. Look, the coffee is black, Krishna. The milk is white, Radharani. And when you stir it, Gauranga."